Hey, it's a beautiful day in Savannah. This is Brian at J.C. Lewis Ford. I know a lot of my friends here in Savannah have seen me post a picture or two now and then of individual cars. Just wanted to give you some idea on this windy, beautiful morning how many cars we have in stock here. This is just one corner of our lot. We got some special prices on some of these older trucks. Got some beautiful sedans. I got a TDI Passat. It's a late model with fewer than 20,000 miles or 42 miles to the gallon. And that was the tip of the iceberg. Out there we have certified pre-owned cars. We have probably close to 200 vehicles from which to select right here on our lot, ready to go. J.C. Lewis Ford, 102 years in business. We've got great certified technicians who go through all of these vehicles. And as I said, I'm scratching the surface. There's a lot more here to look at. Come on down to J.C. Lewis Ford. It is the end of the month. We are making big deals. J.C. Lewis Ford, 9505 Abercorn Street. Brian Judson, 629-9273 in the 912 area code. Hope to see you this weekend.